Why do students lose marks in graph questions? Even after learning for formulas, they know how to draw the graphs. Because of these three deadly mistakes, and fix these today, and function graphs will become much easier. The first one is y is equal to x square plus 3. Now note the difference. I'm going to tell you something very important here, so please stay tuned. It's here x plus 3 whole square. So it's a huge difference between these two graphs. It's a huge difference. If I draw it, this one is x square plus 3. So its vertex is somewhere here. Okay, 0 and 3. But what about this graph? It means that this graph is somewhere here, and its vertex is here. Okay, 3 is 0, so it's 3 0. It has been shifted 3 units to the right, to the okay. Oh, here I should have written here minus. Okay, so now I tell you the difference. If it's x minus 3, the graph will be shifted 3 units to the right, and if it is x plus 3, the whole graph will shift to the left, 3 units to the left, right here. So it's a difference. Note the difference. So here, when we add a number into the function, I mean x square, the graph will move up. When we subtract a number from the function, the graph will move 3 units down. But when we subtract some number like 3 into x itself, not into the function, but inside x, inside the bracket, then the graph will move to the right or to the left, depending on if we add or subtract the number. Okay, now the second mistake is you forget the domain restrictions. It's important. For example, here if we write x minus 2 and the square root of x minus 2, so inside the square root, this expression must be greater than 0. If it is negative, greater than or equal to 0, if it's negative, then it's not defined. So graph starts from only from x is equal to 2. So its graph will be like this one. Its graph will start from here at x is equal to 2, not before that. So always keep in mind the domain of the function. What's domain? Domain is a set of input numbers, the set of all the numbers that you can input in the function. And the mistake number 3, it's sometimes you get confused between reflection and stretching. In easy words, if I write here y is equal to minus x square, and here I write y is equal to 2x square, so it's different. Y is equal to minus x square, it means the whole graph we will invert it, the whole graph here down. But if I multiply some number with x square, it means the whole graph is stretched. It's like this one. If the original graph is wider, then this graph, the new graph, will be stretched along the y-axis. It will become narrow along y-axis because it is now rising more quickly because of this multiple factor, because now we are multiplying each output with 2. That's why the graph will rise quickly upward, and it will be narrower than the original graph, I mean the graph of x square. So these are some observations, some tricks, some sources of errors. Keep them in mind, and thank you for watching our video, and contact me on preply.com for further guidance. Have a nice day.